Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to schedule meetings using Outlook. Firstly, open the Outlook website and click on the calendar icon on the left panel. Find the date and double-click the time slot for your meeting. Alternatively, right-click on the time slot and select New Meeting Request. In the new window, set a meeting title and choose the end time from the drop-down. Use the text box to add meeting details, agenda, or instructions. Now, click the Invite Attendees icon and this will show the form, required, and optional attendee fields. Add email addresses of participants in the required or optional sections. Type the meeting location such as office room, online link. If your company has Room Finder, select an available room. Click Make Recurring to make it weekly, monthly, or custom event. Choose the frequency and set a date to allow it to recur indefinitely. Just click OK to the recurrence and double check all the details, then hit Send to invite attendees. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.